Now you tell me now.
What
is this area called?
Japung.
Japung.
But
oh, that's so welcome to Dom Marwein. Okay,
our,
Marwein. And the other side, this side is called what?
That's Mount Italy.
Mount Italy. So we will go up to Mount Italy, take some photographs. I brought my camera, so we'll just trek up a little bit and then shoot.
That is no sangrang.
See, the grass has grown very tall also. Not on top of that, this is something extra that is adding beauty to the grass hill of this place.
Dam Marwein.
Dam Marwein. They belongs to the clan of the Marwein. And he is one of the Marwein here standing with me. So he has come with me. So, chalo, we'll just go up. So friends, we are here in Wat Lilong
Or Dam Marwein.
Dom Marwein. Dom makes stand for
This hill.
the hill of the Marwein. The hill of the Marwein clan. So
Umkrem.
Umkrem village. So let me show you the complete view of these hills. Here we go. Perfect season to take the greenery. And here, let me just go. So we can go from there also and take some view. And if you go there in front, right in front and down, I have been once, there's a river. Most probably that's a river of Khasi. Yeah. So we have come from that side. And the cloud is going to become good. If we wait for some time. So coming back to the Dom Marwein, the hills of the Marwein people, the clan of the Marwein, I was just thinking that how many acres of land is this? But then it is unmeasurable. You cannot measure it.
Not yet measured, but I can
How to measure such a big land? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I cannot count the hills also. Small hills. Anyway, the transport, the vehicle, the road to this place is not bad. You can park your car over there also. In winter, we can bring right here also maybe.
So these lands are reserved for Marwein.
Yeah, yeah. Now down there. Okay, so down there, there's a river. That is the river Khasi. That will go down and join with the other river there where we have been. and this will go till Nongknum, and there's the river can see. Let me show you some more rolling hills of the Dom Marwein. चलो आगे जाते हैं. Here's a cowboy, my friend, with a cowboy cap. He's a Marwein. He's from Umkrem. So, chalo. Beautiful, beautiful, awesome place. Love it.